Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and in this video also. And guys, in this video I will continue. This is the third video where I will be configuring wireless network. Okay. In my previous two videos I spoke about I have discussed about how you can set up a company infrastructure, company network, where we have configured couple of things, couple of VLANs and all. And now the situation is same. I tried to configure this kind of infra. Now I am adding one access point here. Okay, wireless access point. For example, I got 10 wireless users, so they will be connecting to this device. So I will be using same sort of infra. There I'm going to use one home Wi-Fi router. Okay, device. So I will be doing this configuration on packet tracer itself. So guys, this is what I used in previous video. I just changed color here and removed a couple of circles, that's it. But the configuration is same. Here I have one Wi-Fi router. Okay, this is my Wi-Fi device. So I will configure it to provide connection to wireless devices. All devices are connected by wire. As of now it is cable connection only, so we will deploy a couple of devices here like phone and wireless tablet through this wireless device. So let me go to GUI mode. It is a GUI based, so very simple. Even if you are configuring at home, you have to follow the same thing. First of all, you need to connect and you need to go to console of this device, and here you will get setup option. In this setup option you will have to give first of all IP address where you will be getting internet. Okay, so here for example I'm giving this IP can be your internal as well as ISP side. If you are installing at your home, you will have to get IP address from ISP. So I'm giving that kind of IP address only. Okay, like it is 200.10.20.10 or 12, whatever it is. Just for example I'm showing here. And 255.0 gateway you can give 200 and 10.21 like this. Okay, it is just an example. You have to configure this a WAN port. Now if they provide any host name and domain name, you need to give here. That is optional. Here this network setup, how you want to connect, what IP your device should take to connect system inside your organization. Okay, inside your organization. So I'm giving 192.168.1.1. this IP should be given to my devices, remote devices, wireless devices. And here you can configure DHCP reservation. So first of all you should be, this router should have certain entries of some devices. So this much information you need to provide here. Okay, nothing more than this. And you can change like starting IP address. So I am going to start from here 1. Okay, let me give this 0 network only, and we'll see what is happening here. DHCP server, let me disable. Yes, we need to enable DHCP server here. And okay, I am giving this only 1.1. We'll see how it is taking IP address and save this configuration. So it got changed. Okay, it came 1.1.1. and range you can define starting IP address. So I'm giving from 2 only and saving it. This is basic you have to do. The next thing what you have to do here, go to wireless, and now here you can enable SSID, that is your name. So I'm giving my name NRYN 2020 and just save it. You can do couple of things like standard channel. So leave default these things, don't make any change, and save it. Next, what you can do, you can enable security here, like security mode if you want, like any security. So I'm using like WPA personal. Okay, so here I will have to create encryption. That is also asking for encryption here, and it is key interval, couple of things. Okay, this much. Now go to guest network. So leave this as it is, we don't need to configure anything here. And this is once again advanced wireless setting, so leave it as it is, nothing to do here. And apart from this, you can go to security, you can enable couple of security. Here this is a demo version, so I'm not able to do much thing, but you will get option when you have device access restriction. You can enable, you can create couple of list here. Okay, policies you can create, like I'm giving p1 name and just go to click enable and edit. Here you can add lots of couple of entries, like uh, IP addresses and IP address range, MAC address. So all those things I'm not doing here. I'm just canceling this. I'm just telling you. Even you can put, like website blocking, URL blocking, keyword blocking, and blocked application. You can block applications also. And this is something like port. You can like application and gaming port range you can enable here. Administration you can go, like here password you can change this password to log in to this router. Okay, I did it. And even you can enable, I think, confirm password 123 is not same. And backup and restore you can do it from here and save this configuration. Next, what you can do here, you can go to status. You can check here what is the version of firmware version it is using. It is like 9.7 as of now. Administration, just now I told you. And factory restore you can do from here. Okay, diagnosis setup, here basic setup we did. And wireless, I told you, wireless security we have enabled from here. Once again I will enable it and I will save it. Go to setup, wireless setup here, and network mode auto, you can keep auto. Security, wireless, where is this wireless security? So I'm not using any this security mode here. Okay, key enable, or yes, if you are using this any like this security, then you will have to create password also to connect to your Wi-Fi and save it. This is what you have to do, very simple, nothing fancy in this. And I'm just going back to this. Now here I will connect couple of devices, wireless devices. So for that I need to go to view first and bottom toolbar. Now I am going to wireless devices. So first of all, here I am taking one I should have couple of devices here, like telephone, mobile phone and all. What is this here? This is firewall. This one, yes. Let me take one wireless tablet I took here, and I'm taking a smart device, one phone. So they should connect. Now they are connecting, as you can see here. Okay, now if you go to this property and configure, you can see it is taking gateway. It took automatically because we have enabled DHCP on wireless connection. And if you go to interface, you will be able to see IP address as well. So it is taking IP address. You can see here this IP address, it took 192.168.1.2, which is configured here. We gave one range here. Okay, 192, this 192.168.1.1. So starting range I gave from 192.168.1.2. It is taking IP address from there only. Even you can check this mobile. Okay, gateway came this, and if you go to interface setting, you can check here wireless. It is taking 3 IP address. If you connect one more, like it should be, let's see what is this. So it is also connected some wireless. Let me zoom it. Wireless and device PT, wireless and device, something like that. And let me connect this. What is this? So we'll see. It is a Sniper. So I think it is not a wireless device. And if you go to this, you can see same thing. Like configuration, it is taking this gateway, and IP address will be same range. IP address is 4. It is taken 4 IP address here. So very simple, guys. You can deploy wireless device also. I hope I have made it very clear how you can deploy devices one by one, and this video will be helpful, I am sure, 100%. And if you want to access more videos, you can subscribe channel, and please do me a favor. That favor is just to share this video, comment and like, and I will meet you in next video. I will be discussing some other configuration. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching for this video.